When you're a chiropractor and you're the owner of your business, it's extremely important to be ultra conscious with how you're handling your business and your personal finances. And when it comes to student loan debt, depending on the strategy that you have in place, that can either cost you or save you hundreds of thousands of dollars. Generally, what we see when we meet with a chiropractor business owner is that they're generally making around $200,000 of income or more. We understand every business is different, so your business might be doing less, your business might be doing more. $200,000 is just the average that we see. It's also not uncommon for us to see these same chiropractors on income-driven repayment plans for their student loan debt because they have $200,000, $300,000, or $400,000 of student loan debt. And anytime you have more debt than income-driven repayment makes a lot of sense. The problem though, is that with $200,000 of income on an income-driven repayment plan, your monthly payment's gonna be like $1,500 a month, which is not ideal. So how do you get that down to only a couple $100s, right? Now, there's a little bit of a systematic gap that exists within the chiropractic industry, and here's what that gap is. If you live in one of 27 states, and we'll list the states on the website probably below this video, if you live in one of these 27 states, you actually do not need to hold a chiropractic license to own a chiropractic practice. So what does that mean? So that means that if you live in one of these 27 states and you're the owner of your business and you're married, you can actually make your spouse the non-chiropractor, or even if they're not a chiropractor, you can make them the owner of the business, and then the owner will then pay you, the chiropractor, a reasonable wage of, let's say, $60,000 of income. And then at the end of each tax year, you would file your taxes separately from your spouse so that your monthly payment on your income-driven repayment plan is only based off of $60,000 of income, and your monthly payment will go down to like $270-ish, depending on what you actually pay yourself. Now, keep in mind, all the revenue, all the income of the business, so in my example, the $200,000 of income, it's all going to the same household, it's all going to the same bank accounts, it's just getting there in a more strategic way that benefits other areas of your financial situation. Now, the most common question that we get when we go through this explanation is, Chris, this sounds awesome, sounds great, but like, is this legal? And the answer is that it's completely legal. It's 100% legal as long as you live in one of these 27 states. In fact, an attorney is generally the one that allows you to structure your business in a way that allows for this strategy to take place. Now, I don't know if you're catching this wave or not, but this gets very complex very quickly. So this is not something you want to do on your own. You're going to need an attorney to help you structure the business or amend your business, like what we just talked about. You're going to need someone who really understands the student loan aspect of this. You're also going to need a financial advisor to help you strategically save for your loan forgiveness tax bill, which is associated with income-driven repayment plan. And that's a big part of this type of planning that we're not going to go too far into right now. And then lastly, you're going to need an accountant to help you file your taxes for the business, your personal taxes, and generally we recommend a payroll service as well to help with how you're actually paying the employees of the business. And the best news of all of this, we do all of this for you. You don't have to do any of this yourself. We help you find an attorney, we have advisors, we have accountants that you can meet with, we are the student loan experts. So if this sounds like something that you would want to investigate, at a minimum, schedule your free 50-minute phone call with us. We'd love to hear from you.